Princess Ember's journey through the jungle, the tale of the Princess and the Python Code adventure. Princess Ember, a curious and adventurous young royal, decides to explore the magical jungle surrounding her kingdom. She's determined to discover the wonders hidden within its depths.
What a fascinating jungle. I can't wait to see what mysteries lie ahead.
Encounter with Python, the talking snake. Suddenly, a magnificent python named Serpentor appears, blocking Princess Ember's path. Serpentor, being a wise and friendly python, is eager to communicate with the princess.
Greetings, Princess Ember. I am Serpentor the Python. Fear not, for I mean you no harm.
Oh my, a talking snake? But I don't understand your language.
Python, teaching Princess his language Serpentor, determined to help Princess Ember understand him, starts teaching her the hissing language of pythons.
Listen carefully, dear princess. Let me teach you the gentle art of python hissing.
This is quite amusing. Let me try Serpentor.
Excellent, princess. Now let's move on to a more sophisticated language, the Python coding language.
Learning Python coding with Serpentor, with his vast knowledge of Python coding, introduces Princess Ember to the basics of programming.
In the world of computers, Python is a magical language. Let me show you a simple program to create a message.
Princess Ember watches in awe as Serpentor guides her through the coding process.
Print, hello, Princess Ember. Welcome to the Python world.
Wow, it's like casting a spell with words. I want to learn more.
In Python, we use variables to store information. See how the message is stored in the message variable and then printed. Here, we use the input function to take user input. It adds a personal touch to our program.
Python code 1. Python code 1 hash. Python code to take user input and display a personalized message user underscore name equals sign input. Enter your name. Hash. Prompt the user to enter their name print. Greetings. Plus user underscore name plus. Welcome to the Python world. Hash. Display a personalized greeting message. Explanation. Input. Enter your name. This line prompts the user to enter their name. The input function takes a string argument as a prompt and waits for the user to enter some input. Whatever the user enters is stored in the variable user underscore name. Print. Greetings. Plus user underscore name plus. Welcome to the Python world. This line prints a personalized greeting message using the print function. It concatenates the string greetings with the value stored in user underscore name and welcome to the Python world. This message is then displayed to the user. This code allows users to input their name and then displays a personalized greeting message welcoming them to the world of Python. Python code 2 hash. Python code with a simple conditional statement temperature equals sign 25 if temperature 30. Print, it's a hot day. Else, print, the weather is pleasant. This code demonstrates the use of a conditional statement in Python to make decisions based on the value of the temperature variable. If the temperature is greater than 30, it prints a message indicating a hot day. Otherwise, it prints a message indicating pleasant weather.
As Princess Ember masters the Python language and coding, she expresses her gratitude to Serpentor.
Thank you, Serpentor. You've opened a new world for me. Now I can explore both the enchanting jungle and the magical realm of Python coding.
It was my pleasure, Princess Ember. Remember, knowledge is the key to unlocking endless possibilities.
Princess Ember's journey continues. Princess Ember continues her journey through the jungle, now equipped with the wisdom of Python coding. As she ventures forth, she's excited about the adventures that await her in both the natural and digital worlds.
Onward to new discoveries. Thank you, Serpentor.
As Princess Ember and Serpentor continue their journey, the jungle comes alive with the perfect blend of nature's wonders and the magic of Python coding. Princess Ember, armed with newfound coding skills, effortlessly applies them to bring harmony to the jungle's inhabitants. Together, they weave a story of unity, where the digital and natural worlds coexist in perfect balance. Princess Ember. Serpentor, with Python magic, we've not only explored the coding realm, but harmonized the jungle's enchanting melodies. The creatures of the jungle join in a joyous celebration, marking the triumphant union of Princess Ember's adventurous spirit and Serpentor's wisdom. As they reach the edge of the jungle, Princess Ember and Serpentor look out, their hearts brimming with gratitude and excitement for the boundless adventures that await in both the real and virtual realms. End of this enchanting story, a celebration of unity and discovery, ready to unfold in a captivating YouTube video for audiences of all ages.